Hey everybody, so the weather is still crap here in Sweden. It actually snowed again this morning for the end of March. Summer tyres are supposed to go on the cars like in a week, which is a bit rubbish. But the Evos are due to go off soon for work to be done, and then possibly the black Evo is being sold and won't come back here. So I've been meaning to do this for a while. I wanted to capture the exhaust sounds and the engine sounds of the two cars before they're separated. So, you know, we've got a bit of a comparison really between the two. Okay, so the plan is going to be, starting with the black car, we're going to get some footage from outside on a cold start. Then when it's warmed up, we're going to do some revs from outside the car. We're going to do some revs from inside the car, and then we will move on to the silver car. Okay, so first up, we've got the black car, which has a built 2-litre motor. It's running 400 and horsepower, can't remember how much. It's an ATS, I think, tubular manifold. It's a Garrett GT3037R turbo, 3-inch downpipe, race cat 100 cell. It's a HKS Silent Power exhaust. We've got a teal blow-off valve. We've got a K&N induction kit, and we've got a precision wastegate there. So let's see how all that sounds. Start off with the cold start from outside the car. Okay, on to the silver car now. So the silver car is running a TPC G spec stock frame turbo, stock manifold. I don't know what downpipe this car is running. I do know that it's running a DCAT, and this car is obviously running the Kakimoto GT1.0Z exhaust, which we've hopefully all heard before. HKS blow-off valve, Blitz induction kit, and I think that's about it for this car. This car is running 507 wheel horsepower, apparently. I've not had it dynoed. So let us do the same thing that we did with the black car on the silver car. So that is it. Which one do you think sounded better? Two very different exhaust systems and two very different setups, obviously. It'd be interesting to hear the Kakimoto with 3-inch downpipe, the decat and the tubular manifold. That might be quite fun. Probably a lot more flames involved in that setup maybe. But yeah, let me know in the comments which one you prefer. I know which one I prefer, but I'm maybe slightly biased. So I even got the Spider out and let that have a little run as well, but I didn't video that because that wasn't on brand for the whole point of this video. The cars were supposed to leave on Tuesday, so in 2 days time, to have work done on both of them and then both to be tuned, and then the black car hopefully is going to go to its new owner. But plans have changed and it's going to be about another week now before that happens. So we don't know how long it'll take for the work to be done and the cars to be tuned and me to get the silver car back. But yeah, this is probably one of the last videos we'll see with the black car especially, but the black and silver cars together. So anyway, thank you for watching.